G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm jigger to another Rip Roaring episode. Right now we're doing a bathroom reno and I just want to pass through a couple of little pointers that I love to do on a bathroom reno. Here we've got a sliding cavity door unit. Now this is going to be a wet area. Wet area means that we're going to have to put compressed sheet everywhere or cement sheet, and I like to make sure that I noggin out my sliding cavity doors, protect those, put any noggins in at this stage. Noggins not just for toilet roll holders or towel holders or racks, but also for grab rails and things. There's nothing worse than having your kids in the bath and they go to grab onto a hot tap. I tell you, it's just quick and easy. Put a couple of noggins in, put a grab rail in, you never have to worry about it. It also helps out if there's grandparents that come over or there's somebody that's disabled, they may have hurt their leg or you've had an accident. You can always put grab rails in then. Your noggins need to go in at this stage now while you've got a skeleton. If you don't, it's really hard to be able to do it later and know where all of your bits and pieces are. Make up a plan, put everything in it, let's say a 900 center, and run a load of noggins at that height all the way around. So that's when you know you can always add an extra grab rail or something at any stage. Thanks for watching. My helpful handy hint for the day, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.